Okay, welcome. This is how to essentially set up the teams using the updated date and time feature. Again, this is a new feature that allows not only to set up the date that was there before, but also how to set up the time at which you wish teams to be able to see and access their evaluations, and also the deadline at which the access closes or cuts off. Okay, so I'm just going to show you quickly how to go. We're on a sample teacher, just a fake teacher, and we see we're on the teacher portal. We've already signed in with you as a teacher, and again you see student management tab, team management tab, and evaluations and profiles tab. The teacher's already set up teams and installed students into the TSI course area. So let's go to the team management area, okay? And you see here the one particular team that we have here, and the team is called the Stormbusters, and you see here the current date and time at which students can start their formative assessment. Okay, formative start date and time. Then you see the deadline, deadline date and time. Then you see the window. This is the date at which they can begin to view their date and time at which they can begin to view their formative results. And then we have the summative start time, summative deadline, and summative window. Let's go here under this little pencil and let's click to edit. Okay, and what you have here is the usual editing of the Stormbusters team settings. And simply I'm showing you in this video, again, the update of the time right here. Before we just had the date, but we wanted it where you as the teacher can set and should set the exact time as well as the date at which you want students to be able to do things or not do things. So under formative evaluation start date, we go to this little calendar here. You could see here the close-up, and you're going to simply click whatever date you wish. Let's say click the 11th, and then it prompts you to click a time. Okay, and let's say 10. Let's say 10:10. Okay, you can see here it changed it. Let's change it again. Let's say 10:55. Again, it changed it right here, and then you're done. Okay, how about formative evaluation deadline? Okay. When would you like the deadline to be? Okay, let's go under here. How about let's pick another date. Let's obviously give them a later date here. Let's pick the 26th, and let's pick a time. Okay, let's say 10:15. Okay, again, it changed it over here. Okay, then always have this clicked so that whichever date and time you set, if this is clicked, that way students will be enabled to view their individual profile for the team. Okay, both for the formative and for the summative. You always want this checked. Then select the date that students can view their individual formative profile. If you ever have any issues with changing the time, if this ever gets off by year or some strange like thing, you just go month to month here. But if it ever gets off by year, by a different year, all you do is press the today button. Just press today, okay? And that'll take you straight to today, and that way it's a lot easier to go to either a different date or slightly earlier, slightly later, but it's a lot easier. So again, always, if you need to, always press the today date. And that's a nice sort of default at which to start when you're choosing specific dates, since that way it'll be where you are. And then you can either go ahead or behind accordingly. Anyway, okay, that's it for now.